Hello sir, I am Gulab Patel from TuFee app. Here we will learn how to mark student attendances in app. We have learned how to add and view student login. Now we will learn how to mark student attendance and send SMS to your students. Open app dashboard first. Here you will find attendance on top of the screen. Here attendance card will show you your attendances. How many marked and how many students are with unmarked status. Click on attendance card and app will show your batch list. Select any batch for mark student attendances. Here I am selecting one batch to mark attendance. Now app will show you students which are added to the selected batch. On the top of the screen app will show you date of attendance. You can change the attendance date by click on plus and minus. And also click on date and select date from calendar. Now below that date app will show you 4 options to mark all student attendance in one click. Click on any of them and the app will mark the same as that. The first is public holiday. The second is leave. The third is absent. The fourth is the present. After marking student attendance you can send SMS by click on SMS icon. Here you can select only the present or only absent student from list. And select phone number for text SMS and select WhatsApp number for WhatsApp SMS. And then just click on the top SMS icon or WhatsApp icon. And app will start loop for SMS. And here we have completed student attendance marking tutorial and learned how to mark student attendance and send SMS to student. So now bye bye, see you again. Good night, good morning. Whichever time you're watching this. Thank you for watching this video.